Welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to share with you the precipitation reaction of potassium hydroxide and silver nitrate. Check this out. All I'm using in this investigation is 100 milliliters of distilled water, an aqueous solution of silver nitrate, potassium hydroxide, my dropper, and a spoon. Begin by creating an aqueous solution of potassium hydroxide by adding 4 grams of potassium hydroxide to 100 milliliters of distilled water. Stir until your solution is aqueous. Okay, once your potassium hydroxide has dissolved and your solution is aqueous, you're ready to start adding your aqueous solution of silver nitrate. Since this is a double displacement reaction, you'll see the precipitation of silver hydroxide, which will then dehydrate into silver oxide. Your solution of silver nitrate is clear, but when I add it to my solution of potassium hydroxide, look what happens. Look at that dark brown precipitation. Isn't that just amazing? That silver hydroxide precipitate is just unbelievable. Look at that. Okay, what's going on in this awesome double displacement precipitation reaction is we start out with the reactant silver nitrate and potassium hydroxide, both in an aqueous solution. So the silver nitrate is that 2AgNO3. We combine that with an aqueous solution of potassium hydroxide. That's the 2KOH. Those are the reactants. Now, when they combine, the metal ions trade places, the potassium and the silver, and they create the products silver oxide, water, and potassium nitrate. The silver oxide is the Ag2O, the water is H2O, and the potassium nitrate is the 2KNO3. Interestingly, silver oxide has a lot of uses. It's used to polish glass, it's used to color glass yellow, it's used in batteries, it's used to even treat water, to purify water. Really interesting uses of silver oxide, the precipitate. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.